Welcome to our espresso guide. We're going to start by grinding 20 grams of espresso. Grind size can be tricky to determine, but an easy way to tell if you're on the right track is by aiming for a certain shot time or by taste. But we'll talk more about these later. Before you pull your shot, you want to make sure your group handle and basket are clean and dry with no old coffee present. Then, if you haven't already, add your grinds to the portafilter. Now's a good time to maybe give a little shake or a tap to distribute the coffee so it's sitting nice and flat in the portafilter. Having a level bed before tamping is important for a better tasting cup of coffee. Then it's time to tamp. The most important thing is making sure you're tamping on a level surface and not squeezing so hard you're moving the coffee grinds. A simple press with a good amount of pressure in a flat, downwards motion will be enough. Don't be scared and don't overcommit. Before running your shot, make sure you run a bit of hot water through the machine. This will get rid of old coffee in the shower screen and ensure a cleaner tasting coffee. Then lock in your portafilter and get your scales and cups ready. Using scales means we can measure the amount of coffee being extracted and brew with targets in mind for a more repeatable cup of coffee. Once you're locked in, run your shot. With our single origin coffee, we're generally aiming for between 60 and 65 grams of espresso. If your shot runs much faster than 26 seconds or if it tastes sour and salty, try grinding finer. If your shot runs much longer than 30 seconds or tastes dry and rough, try grinding coarser. Then, once the shot has extracted, sit back, relax, and enjoy.